these are the fabrics I was able to get because I went to the market to get these fabrics that I'll be using for my sewing tutorials. I have others also, and this particular one is an Ankara fabric, and this one is 4 years. Then the other one that is on the floor is 2 years. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you see my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? So please keep on watching this video to the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. You can also comment, so you can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Be the first to see it and watch. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more audience can get to see this video and watch and also learn from it. So I was able to also get this fabric. It's a Duchess fabric and it's a ash color. Can see how beautiful it is. I think I'll be using this particular one for a top. That's what I'll be using it to make. You can see how shiny it is. This particular one is 2 years of it, so this is how it is. And guys, these fabrics can get there in the market. It's very affordable, and I think it's going to come out very well because I'm going to use it to make a top. So we are going to also make that tutorial here on my channel. And I have this one. The color is very unique, very simple, and it's also 2 years of it. I don't think this particular one is a Duchess fabric because the fabric, it has design on it and it's also shiny. So I think I can also combine the two colors together. I can see how the combination is. I think it's going to come out very well. I think the down one will be the one I will be using for like making a skirt. Then the top will be the ash color. I think it's going to come out very well. What do you think? Let me know also in the comment section about the two combination that is going to come out very well. I want to hear from you guys. So you can also turn notification bell also to get notified to see my video. So I'm trying to see how it's going to come out well. I think it's going to come out very well, the two combinations. So I also have this particular one. This one is Duchess fabric and is a red color. I think red and ash can also come out very well, while the other one that we just saw now also is going to also come out very well with the ash color. So I'm trying to arrange them side by side how the color is. So the ash, okay, let me put it in the middle. You can see it's going to come out on both colors. So guys, and that's the fabric, that's the Ankara fabric. So these are the things that I was able to get. I also have others too. So we are going to make use of this fabric when making our tutorials on this channel. That other one is Ankara fabric, and that's 4 years of it. Then I have 2 years of it also. Please keep on watching this video to the end, and guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.